This is the uh, Canadian Pacific Railroad swing bridge. Crosses the Trent Canal River or Severn Waterway, located in um, Peterborough, Ontario, Canada. And they used to some swing for, closed for like for us train traffic, but now it's abandoned. And I'm gonna show you a close view of this bridge. You see the closer view to this bridge. Now it's swung open, and it's crosses the Trent Canal, Severn Waterway, located in Peterborough, Ontario, Canada. It's abandoned. So now, so it carried Canadian National as well as Canadian Pacific Railroad. Now this bridge is abandoned. So it's located in Peterborough, Ontario, Canada.